whenever when I was writing Bella, I already had a clear picture of what I wanted to look like on stage.
Mhm.
Um, and funnily enough, when I was producing the song, so I wrote Bella by myself, yeah, and then I took it to the studio with the producer and another co-writer, which is Sarah Bonici, the Maltese representative of in Malmo in 2024. Um, I actually had to show them pictures of what I want the song to sound like. So I was showing them these Baroque paintings,
Yeah.
these this there was a I do remember clearly there was this picture of the Great Siege of Malta from 1565. That's 500 years ago. And as soon as I showed them the picture, they were like, "Okay, we know where the
We
song is
get
going
it.
to." Yeah, yeah,
That's amazing.